As per the previous weekly outlook, EURUSD extended the bearish pressure throughout the week. However, investors need more clues to consider it as a strong downside pressure throughout the week. The EURUSD price showed a free fall throughout the week, extending the loss from the 1.127 level to the 1.076 level. As per the weekly price action, the recent price converged with the flat 20 SMA, while bulls tried to defend the 100 SMA level. Meanwhile, the momentum indicator shows an indecision as it remained unchanged at the 100 level. The RSI remains bearish below 50, anticipating a downside movement ahead. In the daily chart, the 200-day moving average is bullish at the 1.079 level. Meanwhile, the price started pushing below the 120-day SMA levels, crossing below the 1.091 level. Other technical indicators remained extremely bearish at the oversold zone, while the price made consecutive lower lows in the daily chart. As the weekly candle trades below the 1.080 critical level, we may anticipate a downside continuation in the coming days toward the 1.073 level. Moreover, breaking below this level could lower the price towards the 1.066 level. The near-term resistance is found at the 1.084 level, where a bullish break above this level with a D1 close could increase the price toward the 1.100 level.